So we have it right here. The West Indies 15-man squad for the crucial qualifying tournament for the 2019 ICC World Cup. And when we run through this squad, I think the West Indies is in trouble. We see Chris Gayle and Marlon Samuels, but the bigger news is who we don't see. We don't see Dwayne Bravo, Darren Bravo, Kieran Pollard, Andre Russell, and most detrimentally, we don't see Sunil Narine. All of them, we are told, are unavailable. Now, how the devil can so many key players be unavailable at the same time for an assignment as critical as qualifying for the prestigious ICC World Cup? I say it already and I'm going to say it again. These big players don't want to have nothing to do with West Indies cricket. Anyway, be that as it may, my impression of this squad is that it is weak overall, but especially the bowling. And we're going to be in a dog fight with the likes of Ireland, Zimbabwe, Papua New Guinea, and Hong Kong and all them sides. Any one of them put 250 on the board. If Chris Gayle don't fire, we're dead like dog. Remember that this is by and large the same team that just finished touring New Zealand and get them teeth kicked out in every format of the game. So this is a group with them confidence shattered. I think the West Indies will struggle against the Minnows. And I want to tell you this, I would not bet $1 on the West Indies qualifying for the World Cup from this tournament. Just